Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to manage your privacy in Avira. So, how to manage your privacy in Avira? So, this is very useful if your privacy or if you're scrolling and going to some sites and you don't want your privacy to be known, or maybe you want to be a little bit low key and safe from viruses or any hackers. Well, this video is for you. The first thing you need to do is open up your Avira. Once you open up your Avira, click on privacy. Once you're here at your privacy, just go to the right here, and when you're here, click on privacy settings, and then you'll be located here. Then just click on next. After click on next, click on custom. There you go. So right here are the things that you are able to change in your privacy settings. For example, you can change the location and sensor, or if you don't want people to know about your browser history, just leave that off or leave that on, then apply. Or if you don't want other people to know your OneDrive, just check on that and then apply. But right now we're just gonna do the location and sensor, then click apply. There you go. Restart to apply changes. So to apply changes, we need to restart. So if I restart this will restart my PC. So I'm not gonna do that for now. And there you go. That's how your privacy settings work. And a little bit of a tip for you guys. Just click on this. After clicking on that, the next, then just click on recommended. Then apply the recommended. And you don't have to change anything because it's already safe when you choose recommended. It won't let you down. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.